Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. This is Ahmad Zahran speaking, and welcome to our lecture for today. As we continue studying the congenital malformations and the cranial developmental anomalies, and today we're going to talk about a very interesting lecture about the encephalocele. In the previous lecture, we've been talking about the craniosynostosis, in which the sutures of the skull prematurely closed, and this led to either a distorted skull as the brain had to grow in the opening through the opening sutures, or led to increased ICP as the brain is not able to grow in this closed room, and this led to the manifestations of ICP and developmental anomalies as we know. But today we're going to talk about a totally different problem. There is a defect in the skull. Not just that. This defect led to the herniation of the intracranial contents outside of the skull. This is to simplify everything about the encephalocele. The encephalocele is a herniated part of the brain or any of the intracranial structures through a defect that is present in the skull. Okay, so it's totally different from craniosynostosis. Here we have a defect in the skull, anywhere in the skull. It could be in the clavaria of the skull, it could be in the skull base, it could be in the face, anywhere in the skull there is a defect, and from this defect, a part of the intracranial content will herniate from this defect, and everything then begins. This is to simplify the encephalocele, and let's start talking about it in details.